I think the air at the surface was a little bit too dry for any of that to actually reach the ground. You know, earlier, if you were watching us, there was a wasp flying around. Now we have a bumblebee. So what's next? Do we have scorpions in here too? Maybe some yellow jackets. What else? Watching that bee there. Temperatures in the middle to lower 60s this afternoon. Across the south will be in the mid to upper 60s across the south. Now that's going to be about 5 to 10. I'm just going to chill over here. Temperatures will be about, what did I say, 5 to 10 degrees cooler than average on most April 2nds. We get up to about low 70s. Not today. Tomorrow that may be the case. But again, we're clear throughout the day today. Winds will be out of the north. That'll keep us a little bit cooler than average. Into the night tonight, winds calm down. We'll get back to the upper 30s to low 40s. Morgan, you watching to see where he is?
No.
I'm putting my life in your hands, Morgan.
Sorry.
Oh, man. I can't trust anybody around here. Okay. Tomorrow, those winds, though, I think it's safe to go back to the green screen. Nope, maybe not. I heard something. Where is it, Emma? Okay, it's definitely not. It's about that light. All right, cool.